Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Alex with CustomCat here, and today I'm going to show you how to manage your orders, do customer service and support, and work with CustomCat. So at this point in time, we are an established store. We're making sales every day. We have orders coming in. We have orders that are pending. We have orders that are already processed with CustomCat, and we have orders that are shipped that we need to do some customer service on and make inquiries. So this is how you do it. You are going to navigate to your store in the store's menu, and you'll have to manage your orders for each individual store. Keep in mind, this is just temporary. We will be adding an orders menu to this dashboard very soon. So keep that in mind while you're watching this tutorial. It will get a lot easier, but I want to help you get through this right now. So you click the stores menu. You're going to select the store that you're looking to manage. You'll have a familiar store dashboard, and from here you have a few options. You have an error queue, you have an order queue, and a view all. Your view all is going to be your processed orders. These are the orders that CustomCat already received, you already paid for, and are either in production, awaiting to go into production, or they are shipped. The order queue are orders that have not been received by CustomCat yet. These are orders that you can still make all sorts of changes to or cancel because they haven't been sent to CustomCat and you haven't paid for them yet. And you have your error queue where you can manage orders that we've attempted to process, but we cannot for some reason or another, and you can fix those issues. So we will just start and we'll go left to right. We'll start with the error queue. Your error queue has, you'll have a drop down that you can sort by the type of error. Most of the errors that you're going to receive are typically going to be out of stocks or address verification issues where the customer didn't put the correct address in. Usually it's because the zip code and the city don't match. And so what you do is you find the error. In this case, it's an item that's out of stock or invalid. You'll open up the queue and you'll have to check and see. In this case, you can see in stock, no, this product is not in stock. And in order to process the order, it has to be in stock. So one of the things you can do is change the product to a different SKU. It'll either be a different color or a different size of the same product. You'll save it, and if it is in stock, you'll notice it will say in stock, yes. If all the products are now in stock, you can go ahead and you can click the green processing arrow and you'll get a confirmation that the order was processed successfully. If the product's not in stock, like if I tried to click it right now, it will just tell you that there's an error and it will remain in your error queue. If it happened to be a address verification error where the address was wrong, same process except for all you need to do is update the shipping, and you can just edit the shipping, change the zip code or any of these fields, and then process the order. So that's your error queue, which you should always be managing. The next step is going to be the order queue. The order queue are orders that CustomCat has picked up and is awaiting to be processed. And so in this case, they will process automatically in the next 2 hours. unless you have your auto processing set to off, which is a setting. If you want to change something like the address, or you want to cancel the order, or you can simply process the order before the batch if you'd like to by clicking the green arrow. So same process as the error queue. If you wanted to update the shipping, change the SKU, you can do that there. You can also batch or bulk process orders or bulk delete orders if you'd like to do that. And that's most of the functionality here in the order queue. So the last option to manage orders is if you click View All, which is going to show you your processed orders. So these are orders that CustomCat's already charged you for. And you have a few options. So you can use any of these sorts to look at a specific date range when they were ordered. You can search by a specific order ID. You can search by a specific status. Each of these statuses have distinct reasons and functions that you can do and cannot do depending on which status you're in. Of course, you can't stop an order from shipping if it's already been fulfilled. So here are the options that you have. You can, from right to left again, you can upgrade the shipping, and you'll pay for the increase in shipping, the difference between the expedited shipping rate and the economy rate. You can also pause an order. I'm skipping over. You can pause an order by clicking the pause button. You can only pause an order if it's on processing status. Once something's in production, you can no longer pause the order. And what will happen is you'll see, sorry, the order is already in production, cannot be placed on hold. Now, this is important to note. Some of this will be changing with our new order dashboard. You'll have more functionality and options during this stage and what you can do to these orders as far as changing the address, upgrading shipping, canceling. You will have more functionality here. Lastly, the important feature here is this is how you're going to contact support if you have any sort of issue with an order, whether it's a poor print or if something didn't show up, any sort of issue that you have, you can request a replacement. You can also request a size change, address change, or other. This way, when it sends to the CustomCat ticketing system, we know which order it is, we know what your store is, we know where to email you back. So you will also, attach a photo if you can, you'll submit, and our customer support team will be able to get back to you in 24 hours. So that is the functionality that you have with your order queue. More functions are coming soon. Please be patient. We're really excited about those changes. And that's what we have for you for today. So thank you, and pay attention to the next tutorials that are coming.